Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that's literally all around us, something you probably try to get rid of every week: dust. So what exactly is dust? Well, it's not just dead skin cells, though that's definitely a part of it. Dust is a wild cocktail of tiny particles. We're talking about everything from fabric fibers from your clothes and carpets to pollen and fungal spores floating in from outside, continued, and fungal spores, to even tiny bits of soil tracked in on your shoes. And get this, depending on where you live, dust can even contain microscopic fragments of meteorites. But here's the truly mind-blowing part. The composition of dust in your home can actually tell scientists a lot about your life. Studies have shown that researchers can analyze the chemicals and microbes in household dust to get clues about your diet, the cleaning products you use, even the types of pets you have. For example, certain chemicals found in flame retardants used in furniture can be detected in dust. Or, the presence of specific types of bacteria might indicate the presence of a dog or cat. It's like a microscopic diary of your daily life. So the next time you're dusting, remember that those tiny particles hold a surprising amount of information about the world around you, and even about you. It's a tiny universe right there on your shelves. That's your quick dose of mind-blowing science for today. Let me know in the comments if you found this as fascinating as I did. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more science surprises. See you next time.